Here's why you should be prepping for January right now. Okay, so in the direct response marketing world, right, January and Q1 is the highest volume sales day, right? In traditional e-com, Q4 is with with a holiday selling period, right, through Black Friday and Christmas. But in direct response, January 1st through March is the hot time to sell. And that means if you're an affiliate with traffic or an offer owner with a product to sell, it's kind of time to get on it right now and kind of start prepping for it. And the reason for that, right, it's resolution time, right? Our industry sells to like the big three niches, right? Health, wellness, biz op, make money online, and personal development, right? So if you can tap into those things right around that resolution time in January 1st, you're gonna be well poised, gonna take advantage of buyer behavior, people looking to improve themselves, to lose weight, to make more money, to quit smoking, to quit drinking, right? All of these things that you can be selling them products to and actually helping them achieve those goals, right? The other big thing is that a lot of offer owners with scaled offers and proven offers run contests through January and March for that same reason. They know it's hot. They want to attract affiliates. They don't want affiliates promoting other offers. So they're running contests to reward affiliates for high volume sales, high volume leads, high volume traffic, and things like that. So the thing to look out for is not just what's the best converting offer for my list, but okay, this one might convert a little lower for me or might pay out a little lower for me, but I know I can place in their contest starting January 1st and get another 5K, right? $5,000 or something like that. That can start to go into your planning for what offers you're going to promote more heavy than others. So to start planning for that, right, a lot of them are posted on the offer owners like affiliate tools pages, which if you're in the ClickBank marketplace, there's a link to from there. I'll start scanning through there now, starting at the top and kind of just working your way down with offers that look good for your audience and start looking at which ones are paying out, which ones are converting, and then which ones have contests coming up. Can be a good way to back into it. And then just keep in mind that there's going to be a lot of eyeballs, a lot of good buyer behavior around it. So you can kind of get around that swell of buyer intent. But I would highly recommend having your sends lined up, right? And your traffic sources lined up before January 1st, right? So you kind of got things baked in. You have some room for flexibility. So if one pops up you didn't see, you can throw it in there and kind of throw it into the mix and get promoting it quickly. But have 80% of it done. So you know most of your traffic, you know where it's going, when it's going, and then you have room to pivot around some new offers if something pops up that you happen to miss. So get started on that now. I'm recording this in middle of October. I'd highly recommend making sure you're backed into it by middle of December, right? And that's baked in. And then just be ready to hit January hard and everyone can make some good money and help customers reach their goals. So yeah, happy scaling and good luck with your resolutions.